Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, I'm Millie Marie. How's everyone this morning? Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. I have only taken one trade. It did not copy. It won too fast, basically. So here we are. You know what I just realized? My damn news is not up there. I would have got caught in that. I had to reload my charts and it took the news away. Good morning, Applejack. Applejack shows violence this morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I actually got some sleep. I went to bed at 2:15, which is a great time for me, so I feel great. I actually had a horrible headache last night when I went to sleep. So I was afraid I was going to wake up with it, but I didn't. So we are changing some things up. Yes, we are. Yeah, we're changing some things up. I have changed my Renko size. I'm now on a 20 tick chart, which I talked about yesterday. I'm on my way home. My back. Oh, I hope you feel better. Fuck the job. You right. Listen, don't let her get to you. Beat her every day. But no, yeah, I decided to change things up. I'm only taking pullbacks today because I did kind of change the way I analyze the volume. I want to see if that works. So far today, I've had 4 setups. I've only taken one. My friend called me and I have not talked to him in like a whole month. So I was kind of getting caught up with him, and yeah, that was kind of important. But yeah, so we got a 20 tick chart now, which means that I'm doing like a 22 tick stop loss and take profit. There's a lot of things that will change now with me trading this way. Oh, well, no, I didn't want that. Yeah, so there's a lot of things that are going to change because of me trading this way. One of which now I could take these kind of pullbacks with the higher low to lower high. I can now trade even if the zigzag's attached to the previous bar and not the current bar, which happens a lot. I think I could take trades going back to the new session highs and lows. I don't have a whole lot of examples, so I'm not going to take them today. But so far, it looks like I can follow the same rules for the most part. So yeah, I'm just literally just changing how I analyze the volume before I get into the trades. But for the most part, it's pretty much what I was doing already, to be honest with you. But kind of the adjustment that I made, like a lot of the trades, like yesterday, for instance, I was saying like, man, it's like the things that would normally work are not working. It now kind of makes sense why some of those trades were working and some of them weren't, because it's like an extra component of the volume I wasn't analyzing at the time. So we'll see what it looks like long term. I've already gathered like 2 full days of data, so we'll see what happens. And then probably once I feel comfortable with where I am right now with the way that it is currently, that is when I will start adding back the divergence in the same direction of the trade and counter trend and stuff like that. But for now, I'll just do the pullbacks. We'll go from there. She said, gotta be quicker than that, period. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. But I am looking forward to seeing if I end up liking this a lot better. I do still have to do the whole thing where, like, if it's a 1 bar pullback, I gotta wait 3 swings for now at least. For now, the way my ATM is when I am, so I'm going for 22 ticks stop loss, take profit. When I am 21 ticks in profit, the stop loss will move to break even, just like when I was doing 6 or 18 ticks. I am thinking about moving that to 20, but we'll see. I'm trying to think what else. That's pretty much it. I might end up having to adjust it to a 23 tick stop loss and take profit. But like I said, we'll see. I'm not sure. Not all the way sure. But we'll just see what happens. I'm not going to trade the Apex PA. I mean, literally, I'm just starting something new, kind of. So, well, not new, but a major adjustment. So I don't want to put my PA at risk, but I am going. Oh, we only have 4 trading days left. I need to increase the size on Top Step. I'll risk 25%. See where we go from there. But yeah, we'll just see what happens. Put 1.5 here. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? So yeah, we'll just focus on pullbacks for probably like a week, or maybe. But opening it up to where I could take trades when the zigzag is attached to the wrong bar, that opens up a lot. A lot. All right, I'm gonna stop here since there is news that I almost just forgot about again. Because it's not on my charts. I don't know why, but in the morning I have to actually reload my charts because the background color, for whatever reason, it defaults to like an opacity of 10, and I need it on 20 to be able to see it well. So when I reload my charts, a lot of times it messes up the news or whatever. I don't really know why. And there's no way I can change the default. Like, I save it that way and it still does its own thing. Now, I actually think I could trade up to 2 minutes before all news events trading this way, but I'm not going to chance it at the moment. We're just going to leave it there. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully I won't have to make too many adjustments, honestly. The rules are actually a little bit looser than the way I was trading before, which is nice. So hopefully it doesn't take me as long to remember the rules. We'll see. Good morning, Timbo. How are you this morning? Did you ever get untimed out from Nutty Stream? He was looking for you the other day, Timbo. He was like, you know what? I think this was when Sharouz was doing the account, the stream account. And he was like, you know, we haven't seen Timbo. Did Timbo do a hit and run on the account? But I was watching the replay. I wasn't watching it live. I was cracking up. Uh, I was cracking up. Listen. I'm just so happy my headache went away. Like, I was so miserable yesterday. All right, news is in 4 minutes. Again, sorry it's not showing on the charts, but it's there. And since it's high impact, I am going to sit. But yeah, I'm really hoping that switching to the 20 tick chart is going to help filter some of the noise on the 16 tick chart. But also, I'm hoping that the new way that I'm like analyzing the volume with that extra step, I'm hoping that, you know, if volatility decreases to where the 20 tick chart is too much, that when I go back to a 16 tick chart, nothing really changes. It shouldn't, because I'm actually primarily trading the same way for the most part. Like, the rules are kind of the same, just a little looser. So we'll see. But that's what I'm hoping. I actually used to trade a 20 tick chart, but that is when I used to have the half trends and things like that. And so a lot of trades would be invalidated. But now that the half trends are gone and literally all there is basically just different levels of support and resistance with the one half trend, the market structure half trend showing me what the trend bias is. Hopefully I can keep the 20 tick chart forever, because I do like it. And I still should be able to get quite a few trades in. Like I said a little earlier, I've already had like 4 setups. I just only took one, but I've already had 4 setups. They all won. So we'll see. Got back in all in good fun, but it's true I haven't been in his chat all that much. He was like, he said, man, he told us to get in, and I kid you not, about 10 seconds later, the account was gone. Since he started the crowdsource trading thing, I will go back once that's over. I feel you. I feel you. I've just mainly been catching the replays. I actually didn't have anybody though. I tuned into Methodical yesterday because him nor Alpine streamed yesterday. I watch Nutty first. Like, as I'm journaling, I watch him first, and then I watch Alpine, and then I'll usually watch Methodical after that, like the replays or whatever, just to have something going while I'm doing stuff. All right, news is now. But yeah, I'll oh, you know what? Hold on. That's why. I was wondering why the other day when I took the trade on Friday, why only the trade popped up at the when I was done with it, but it didn't show while I was in it, and that's why I missed this trade right here. It's one of the ones I missed. I'm trying to see. Oh, so here's the trade. I missed this trade right before I took this one. That one was a full win. The one I just showed you was a full win, and this one TP'd in 1 second. So it didn't copy, but after I had all those tech issues with NinjaTrader that day, and we were locked out, some of us were locked out of NinjaTrader for like 45 minutes. Ever since then, my rhythmic pending orders are now showing in the orders tab again. So I did see that I didn't get tagged in. I closed out and we were good. But yeah. You watch to remain calm, no drama here. You're right. And I hope it stays that way because I don't like all the drama at all. Sometimes you just deal with enough shit in real life. Nobody wants to deal with extra drama on the internet for what? For what? All right, 20 seconds and I could start trading again. Volatility still a little too high, just a tad. All right, but the data lag is back to normal. But yeah, I just definitely have to get used to like the way I'm analyzing the volume now is kind of weird a little, but it makes sense why it has to be that way. But I definitely have to get used to it. You get the ASMR effect. You are silly. You are silly. Oh, my chest. I can tell when it's springtime because I have like this, it's a lung disorder called costochondritis, where basically the cartilage between my ribs get inflamed. And it is the most annoying, like it's painful, but not like 24/7 pain. It'll just be like this weird pain that just comes and then it goes. I've had it since I was like probably, I think I got diagnosed when I was like 19 or so. And it is the most annoying pain ever. Legit. Legit. I'm still not a fan of how fast the charts are moving right now. So just in the spirit of things, I'm just gonna kind of wait until we slow down just a little bit. Was that really? It was, okay. Wait. Yeah, it was. You know what? I've heard of that, Timbo. I have. Honestly, I try not to take very much of anything, and it doesn't bother me that much. It doesn't. I take black seed oil every day, so I don't really deal with too many ailments, to be honest with you. And like, what was that, last month? My whole house had the flu. I never got it, and I was around them in their faces. I take care of sick kids, barely get sick. But just this inflammation, I have really bad allergies too, which are not as bad anymore, but still kind of bad. I live in a very highly pollinated area, so really once the pollen starts coming about, it starts getting too warm outside, that's when I start having issues here and there. Bubble Lady is at it again. You shut your mouth. Good morning, Janelle. It cure your skin cancer? Are you serious? I've been seeing a lot more people talking about it. I have. I really have. Like in the last couple of months. Um, oh, that's not anything. 106.05. I hate when the zigzag does that because I don't feel like doing math. See, 1.8, that'll be 2. I'll just say 2.1. Okay, market, we get it. You want to go higher. At least it's not, well, it did kind of bleed though. Let me see the high, 615. How are you, Janelle? At least we didn't initially like completely bleed off the open like we have been. Let me make sure to, okay. I do need to redo my risk management sheet. I need to do that. Excuse me. Since my risk is different now, I think it's a risk of 113 for a profit of 110.07. Because I think I've added $20 each way, basically. By switching it up a little bit. All right, we are back in the overnight range. Well, the 2 to 2:30 overnight range. We're near the previous close, so let's kind of see what we do. I'm not really interested in taking buys here if I have to break even right there. Oh, that changes things a little bit. Oh, we've pushed down too far now. What brand of black seed oil do I use? I use Amazing Herbs. Get it off Amazon. I've been using it for like legit, maybe like 5 years, probably longer. You took the wrong route, huh? How did you do that? Good morning, Trenches. Good morning, good morning. Had it 4 years. Killed it in 2 months. Wow. That's insane. Insane. Congratulations. That is no joke at all. See money. Stop it. A decent TPs in Asian. Nice. I know you happy about that. Baby, no, she not okay. She off work. She's supposed to be at work right now. That's why she taking the wrong route. She's supposed to be at work. Oh. Well, that happened too fast. I wasn't gonna get filled there, but that was a trade. Damn it. Why would you change colors? Yeah, I just gotta get used to this way of analyzing and I'll be fine. I'll probably take a couple days because it's really a lot easier kind of, but it's just more data to look at a little bit. Damn, I wanted that to push up a little bit higher. But hopefully I can get like another maybe 2 or 3 trades in, good trades in before the session ends. Too much volume here. You salty you missed yesterday? You just know today is gonna be choppy. Well, I can't even see. Let me see. I got it on a 1-minute chart right now. I can't even see what the 5-minute looks like. Oh, that's not nice. First of all, we really recovered that entire move down. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Oh, wait, let me go back to 1 minute. It's hard for me to see it on the 5. We didn't even touch it. Kind of back in that same, inside the range near the previous close. The middle pivot level is right above this too, so it's kind of, it's like a diddle in the middle situation right now. It was 53.25, 53.17. It did not hit it. Hopefully we don't consolidate in this area for the next 44 minutes. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? No, Timbo, you're not. Trenches is a guy. I was delaying on my usual route. Forgot to take the intersect. I got you. Oh, she said, why your back hurt? Ma'am. Janelle is so messy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. I was gonna say I might need to come back here more regularly. Yeah, Paul's a guy, San's a guy. Well, San hasn't been in here yet. Moses is. We haven't seen Moses in a minute. I might have to hit him up on Discord, see how he's doing. Damn. That buy is invalidated. Don't push back in the range. All right, maybe we push out this time. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's please not do this. Paul, double down. Why does your back hurt, ma'am? And Amelia with the emojis. Yeah, churches he did. uh, well, that invalidated that. I was actually looking for this buy right here, but then once the zigzag changed, I couldn't get into it anymore. What's behind here? I can't see. Oh, maybe that's the current open. No. Yes, it is the current open. Okay. Okay. What the hell? All right, back into the range. I'm actually quite sick of seeing this in this damn range. First of all, Trish just said you did the walk of shame. I'm fucking weak. Not some excitement. How did the market react at 400 yesterday? Was it trying to hold there? I don't know, Trenches here. Let's look. Let's take a look. my 5-minute chart was that lagging. That was the trade. Let's see, 400 from yesterday. Is this yesterday? Yes. I could have gotten to that trade. I kind of hesitated a little bit. Like I said, it's kind of hard for me to look at the charts that way now. All right, so this is the 400 level. So it doesn't look like it was doing anything during the day. And this is around 1 o'clock yesterday, 1:40. So yeah, dropped below it, came up, tapped it again, and then we had to close. And here's the reaction right after the market opened last night. We bounced again around there. So yeah. Where was the trade? All right, so this right here was the trade I was looking for. Looks like it would have been a full win. I think it would have won before it hit the prior close up there. Yeah, it would have. Only thing, 33. All right. I just gotta get used to seeing the market this way. I haven't ran since last year sometime, October. At first, when I saw October, I thought you was talking about the other thing, your excitement. Well, it's probably been cold though, right? God damn it. This was the move to... I'm gonna get my life together. I am. Oh, here's the 400 level. Maybe not. No. Yes, no. Okay, I could take that. Let's see, greater than both. Right now, that's a rule that I could take. If this thing reverses back down and wins, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh yeah, I am doubling contracts on Top Step right now. Because if I lose the account, I don't care. Look at that. That's my fault for missing that one first. How annoying. How annoying. How annoying. I might actually want a level attached to that, actually. This one is the one the first one was the one I liked the most. This one, I think I need a level attached to it, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I only have 2 days of data, but we're pushing it. We'll see what happens. Make adjustments along the way like I've been doing. All right, it's validated now. All right, so this one might need a level attached. Just fine. But yeah, if this top step account blows, I'm fine with it. I told you guys I'm really questioning whether I even want to trade with those people anyway. Just not a fan anymore. At all. That's all. Too much volume in that drop down. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. I keep forgetting to. The charts are gonna freeze. I keep forgetting to put the volume back over there. So we're gonna do it now because I'm gonna forget after this. All right. Not enough. All right, we got 30 minutes left. Where am I? Break even and negative 260. All right, what a spike. Damn it. I literally just took the order off because I couldn't see what the volume was back here. Zam. Would I've gotten the field? Yeah. The field would have been in this bar. Market, you're very annoying. Very much so. I was waiting for it too. The one thing I am happy about is increasing the Renko size is not going to drastically decrease the number of trades I get, which is so important. Super important. So that makes me happy. I'm got to do a little cardio and weightlifting now, thinking about bulking up. Janelle. You should. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna lie. Like ever since now I haven't been working out consistently for like the last week, but for the last month right before that, I was working out consistently and I was feeling so much better. Now when I only lift twice a week though, and then I will just do 20 minutes on an incline every day that I don't lift. Usually I might take like one day off, but I just feel so much better. I do. And then I've been trying to make a habit of stretching every day. It's so weird because like when I used to play ball, I could not stretch. If I stretched before a game, I would always get hurt. I don't know why, but yeah. So I would try to stretch after, but you know, as I've gotten older, my muscles are just so much tighter. Like I used to be able to do splits and all kinds of stuff. I can't do none of this shit no more. She cannot. So I've been trying to make it a habit of stretching, and I noticed that that little spot in my back that's been hurting for a very long time, it's not very bothersome um, when I'm stretching every day. So I need to make sure I keep it a habit to stay consistent with it. The kid getting heavy, I can't let anything go. I'm weak. They do grow so fast. Y'all, you just reminded me. Let me show y'all what my niece did the other day, honey. She's too much. She's such a girly girl. Where is? Damn, I gotta figure out where my auntie sent it. Oh, I see. She sent it to me separately. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Right after. Damn, it's not what I wanted. Let's see if y'all can see. Mind you, she's 5. And she did this on her own. She sized them and everything. Of course, her mom didn't let her go to school like that, but she is such a little girly girl. Like, what are you doing with nails on? And baby, she was trying to type on the iPad with them. Hilarious. She is too much for me. I can't take it. I just can't. She's a mess. Yeah, stretching helps a lot. Yeah, her mom was like, she sized them. She put the glue on herself and everything. I'm like, what? What is wrong with this child? Yes. And like I was telling my mom, because my granny, that shit's too grown. I'm like, well, you have to understand her mom wears nails. So if she sees her mom do it, then obviously she wants it too. But like I said, she didn't let her go to school like that or anything. So, but that little child there. The crazy thing is, she is so like me in so many ways. Her attitude, her intellect. The one thing she does not get from me is that girly shit. She likes wearing makeup. Like, you ask her what she wants for her birthday, for Christmas, makeup. And now she likes her nails being done. I still don't paint my nails. Occasionally, I do have a dip powder, like a dip powder set. And occasionally, I might use it here and there, but not really. Like, I just cut all my nails off. I let them grow. As soon as one or two break, I cut them all off and start again. Like, yeah, it's not me at all. But that little girl there, she is a girly girl to the core. I don't know. Come on, market. Give me one more. I'm sorry I missed all the others. Please. Not quite. All right. All right, we're at the major support level. Gotta be careful here. Yeah, very much a girly girl. Yeah, the market's definitely dropping. Like I said, at least we didn't have that like initial just dump off the open and like with no pullback in sight. So we had an attempt to go higher today. A little small attempt. But we tried. So Eunice, I need to fill in. I'm weak. Introduced her. She said she's very pretty, but she'd rather watch kids do their makeup. She said, Auntie, this ain't the one. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, I got stopped so fast. Oh, working order. Damn it. All right, that top step account's about to be gone. See, this is my only issue with the counter trend. Like, I still don't know how I like it. Right now, I don't like it. The counter trend worked well earlier, but I think I might just only like it if there's a like a level attached to it. Probably, it's probably how I'm gonna do it. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, I'll look at my data when I journal. Cold turkey activated. I need to activate mine. No, had a 350 point range. It's too high. Yeah, I think for now I'm probably gonna stick to the counter trend moves needing a level attached, because the one that I won earlier, well, but that previous one I just won did not have a level attached to it. We'll see. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna have to do. All right, let's see if we can break this support level though. If I can get back to break even on the take profit account, that would be nice. Nope, that's why I did it late. I don't know. I don't know how I like it. Oh, that actually, this one went too high. The volume in that bar actually went too high. I didn't see that. Who else thinks the recession has begun? Have we ever not? I don't know. I thought we were already in one a long time ago, to be honest. I mean, during the last one, and I'm all for it, yeah. If you know how to capitalize when the market is down, you can make some very nice money when it recovers. That is for sure. For sure. Yeah, for now, I'm gonna let a level be its. Attached. I don't know how I want to handle that right now. It's definitely shopping season, for real. Of course, one more pullback, of course. Yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to Top Step for a while. I'll just focus on TBT and Apex, which also means that once I am all the way comfortable and make whatever adjustments to this I need to make, I can immediately start trading that rhythmic account again. Since I won't have Top Step rhythmic anymore. Yeah, I really need to look at the counter trend moves though. Because right now I'm not liking it. Let's see. See you, Timbo. Enjoy the rest of your day. First quarter GDP declined like the fourth quarter last year, technically, yeah, but they won't report a recession just based on that. The VIX has been really high, right? But I ain't hungry. I gotta force myself to eat. Yeah, force yourself. I feel you. I'm the same way. I like yesterday. I did not eat until. That's probably partially why I had a headache, but I also been sleeping wrong. But I didn't eat until like 7 o'clock last night. I don't know. I'm just one of those people. I can't force myself to eat. If I'm not hungry, I'm not eating. But you need your brain food. I'm used to fasting till 2 though every day for the most part. Sometimes I just extend this shit. I am so annoyed. I liked the market in the first like 30 minutes. I have not liked it since. All right, we got 10 minutes. If I get another trade, I will take it. I think. Two consecutive quarters of declining GDP. Oh, my chest is. Inflation hits over 8%. What's the inflation at right now? As of January 2025, inflation was 3%. Sorry, I'm in deep thought. Starting green and going red is so annoying. That's what I'm looking for. Rejecting at the lower deviation on the VWAP. I think I'm gonna get another trade in. We're pushing pretty hard off of that VWAP right now. Which organic protein do you brand do you use? None of the buys are happening the way I would like. It's weird though because it's over 50 grams of protein. Do I need to stop trading at 9:30? Probably. I don't feel like much has happened after 9:30. It's just too much. I thought we would reject here, but we did not. Damn, we're almost at 400,000 volume. This market is so annoying. So annoying. All right, session's over. Day one of a 20 tick chart wasn't too bad. Like I said before I even got on the stream, I missed like 4 good setups that would have been able to account for the 2 losses that I took once I got onto the stream. Oh, there we go. Like I said, I really want to I have to look at the counter trend moves, because the old way that I was trading, the counter trend moves was kind of honestly my favorite, because they vary, like up until the last week, that was almost always a win. So, and that's what kind of made me want to look at how I analyze things a little bit different, because starting this week, actually starting, I think it was like Thursday, I don't know, those counter trend moves just weren't moving the same. It's very awkward. But anyway, like I said, I came into today with only 2 days of data, so I'm not really expecting much. Hopefully, after I gather the data for this week, I'll be able to like finalize how I want things or whatever. But yeah, this Top Step account is finito. I'm actually just going to go ahead and cancel it. There's 156 drawdown left in it. It's gone. But I still have almost 1,700 on the TPT account. The biggest thing right now is just working on this account, because once I can pass this account, then I'll just be trading the PAs that I currently have. But if the rest of this week goes by pretty decent, then I'll go back to trading the Apex PA next Monday. We'll see. We will see. Crypto, not everything sucks. Yeah, I agree. It's just a very weird market, but we have to figure out how to adjust, and I'm gonna do just that. I'll just have to figure out what adjustments I make. And then also on top of that, I also have to remember that at some point I am still going to put the divergence trades back in as well, which those set up quite a bit. So that's taking a lot of like extra trades that I can have to kind of cover losses at the moment. So we'll see. But that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm going to journal so I can head out and go see my coach because I didn't go yesterday since I had a headache. And that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.